Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss how to develop self-discipline, the key to prosperity. Self-discipline is the key to good life. Consistent self-discipline and self-control are the basic requirements for success. People mostly feel it's not easy to maintain self-discipline consistently for all the activities we plan for the day. You may also like to get up early before sunrise and see sunrise daily. You may also promise to go for morning walk daily, but maintaining the consistency turns out to be pretty difficult. Why so? Can you just do a small favor to you by noting down daily at what time you get up and how much time you devote for morning walk, jogging and exercise? Last month, what time, what duration, how much time you devoted to get up early for morning walk, jogging and exercise? So you need to have enough self-discipline to do that. Although it appears to be a very simple task, half an hour workout daily early morning is not a hard work, is not a hard nut to crack. It can be easily done, but maintaining the consistency will pinch hard. Lifting a glass of water may be easy, but keeping it in the lifted position for half an hour may not be so. Although it is just an example, but in practice, discipline is mostly required to maintain the consistency. You need to have discipline, you need to be disciplined, otherwise productivity will suffer and your success will suffer. So you need to be disciplined to follow the routine. Say half an hour workout daily to keep your health, the best asset, intact. This is the best example I feel. At the end of the month, check how many days you could fulfill your expectations. What expectation? Half an hour workout daily in the morning. And that also to keep the best asset, your heart, your health. That is the best asset. So at the end of the month, check how many days you could fulfill your expectation. If out of 30 days you could comply at least 12 days, then you qualify to try to take your performance to the second grade. But it must be with three conditions daily. What are the three conditions? Getting up before sunrise, see sun rising, walking and jogging with free hand exercise for half an hour. Simple. Getting up before sunrise, see sun rising, walking and jogging with free hand exercise for half an hour. But what should be that exercise for half an hour? It should also consist of three items only. Few free sit-ups, say 20. Few push-ups, say 20. And movement like Zumba dance for simple free hand exercise. So you can follow some YouTube guidelines also. There are many instances, there are many examples. You can very well see it and follow it. Then mind your steps daily to follow the above in true spirit, real spirit. How? Be self-motivated to be self-disciplined. Self-discipline yourself will require your involvement by heart and soul to do what you plan. Although it turns out to be easy to start with, your to-do list may be very short, but try to maintain that regularity whereby many people fail and appear to be indisciplined. So more you act, more results you will get, and you will ensure your continuous growth. So follow your planned activities and do it meticulously. The most important personal quality to sustain your development is the self-discipline. That is to conform to your planned activities. Make a to-do list a day in advance. Let your mind wander to find ways and means a night before. so that at early hours of morning you get fresh clues from your subconscious mind to complete the assigned tasks. Revisit the works list at morning. Prioritize your important tasks, say 3 out of 10 to take up first at morning, which is treated to be the best productive time. In the morning, you take up your most important tasks. Say if you have 10 tasks, 3 out of 10. Starting from the first day of the month, maintain monthly highlight, maintain records, check how many days in the month you could actually discipline your monkey mind to achieve your target. Put your mind, body and spirit to the task and test it for at least 3 weeks so that you can make it a habit. To make a habit, it requires at least 21 days continuous performance. Record performance against all these 3 tasks starting first day of the month. Prepare monthly highlights. It is very important. Why monthly highlights and how it can be ensured? Because monthly highlights is very important to see how you are progressing, and daily highlights will help you to make the monthly highlights by going through weekly highlights. So if you do daily highlights, you will have your weekly highlights, and 4 weekly highlights will comprise your monthly highlights. It is easy, but you need to be disciplined to maintain it. I wish you all perform, but over 90% people are observed to fail to maintain the consistency. Although it happens to be very easy and it is very productive, but people fail. And the sole reason for failure is inability to be self-disciplined. It is easy to promise to take up many things like New Year, birthday resolutions, but difficult to continue. And the reason is lack of self-discipline again. Even when you want to be very much disciplined, you may turn out to be most indisciplined and may start giving a lot of excuses for each failure case. But there are only 2 things, either success or failure, nothing in between. Learn from failure and avoid its repeat. Check your failure graph over the month. You will get good insight. Investigation of failures will enrich you successively, and daily improvements and activities will form your good habit. Soon you should be unconsciously disciplined. Good habits will lead you to success, and soon it will make you more disciplined. So you will be in a circle. As you improve, you will go on improving. So improving standard of discipline is an action-based agenda. Check your activities plan and note with concern how you have exercised discipline to follow the bare minimum requirements. I am citing here under only 3 tasks as example. You may try for the same. These are only indicative. You may add also, alter also as per your choice. So first one, to keep good health, healthy eating habits are required, exercise routine, sleeping habits and following hygiene requirements. 4 only. Healthy eating habits, exercise routine, sleeping habits and hygiene habits. Then second one is maintaining social relationship and caring for others, taking care of health, happiness, prosperity of others, of your relatives, especially person who are dependent on you, even maybe in your extended family. And third is your personal and professional development. Annual and monthly plans you need to perform. You need to prepare your plan, how you should go ahead. Personal development plan, for example, taking up online courses, correspondence courses for academic progress, soft skill development. Professional development may be taking up certification program, hard skill development, attending seminars and conferences. And family development, as you cannot go alone, you cannot progress alone. So you need to take care of your children education, spouse healthcare plan like yoga class. So you need to have these 3 important things and you need to be disciplined to follow this and that will ensure your progress. Self-discipline is such a subject which engulfs many areas of your life, and there may be there may be enough scope for development. Your happiness conditions or your unhappiness conditions, both to be checked. Your unhappiness conditions will propel you to find solutions and will force you to be disciplined. Important attribute will help you to this respect is your ability for self-introspection with limitless desire for continuous development. So this is for what? This is for checking your unhappiness conditions and removing unhappiness. What you need to do? You need to force you to be disciplined. More you desire, more you will need to be disciplined, and more you will be growing. Better will be your future growth. So think, act and grow. TAG. Tag it. Think, act and grow. Self-discipline is a major important attribute for success and growth. I was just witnessing one program of Brahma Kumaris. Very nice programs they conduct. Sister Shivani has said it requires strong commitment and dedication to continue to remain disciplined. Do not think freedom is intervened on being disciplined. No. Freedom is different. And development is required and discipline is required for development. It's not easy to get out of addiction of substances without strict self-discipline. Just keep in mind, it's very important. Mr. Jim Rohn, a very good learned speaker, once said, every valuable thing requires care and attention. He has highlighted self-discipline is most important attribute and has stressed to cultivate self-discipline instead of regrets. Very clear. He stated categorically, discipline magnifies our values beyond expected results. It requires discipline to change habits by increasing awareness and action. It requires discipline to change habits by increasing awareness and action. Discipline helps us to stop procrastination and be focused on planned activities. It's very much required for success. So disciplined mindset helps to develop awareness, improve focus, and form habit. Mr. Daniel Anderson, in his book Self-Discipline, The Ultimate Blueprint for Success to Cure Procrastination, Addiction, Laziness, like that, stated how discipline affects time management, productivity, money management, problem solving, and most importantly, relationship management. So self-discipline helps to control emotions to overcome weakness, while pushing one beyond the comfort zone. And lack of self-discipline may cost lack of self-esteem and willpower, increase fear of failure, bad health. So you should go ahead to what you have never done before. It will help you to create your best version and your self-actualization. So self-discipline helps to form mental toughness, which in turn helps to be psychologically strong, developing resilience, ability to receive shock, disappointment, being patient, focused, realizing dream, learning from others' mistakes. It does not allow room for complacency. Non-negative fighting back provides motivation, it self-control, it provides leadership quality, willpower, positive mental state. It helps to ignore in many areas. It helps to improve in many areas also. So both you need to ignore in some areas to improve, and you need to improve in some areas to improve. So self-discipline by knowing, by your awareness, will help you to improve on areas like education, sports, workplace, business, information, science, and all these areas which are very important for your personal growth and development. So take care, be disciplined. Thank you. Wish you a good life.